Snap a photo, get a calorie count. It sounds simple, but a new study finds some popular AI-powered food tracking apps may underestimate calories and fat by roughly a third. Researchers at the National Institutes of Health tested 4 popular calorie tracking apps using photos of more than 100 meals prepared in a tightly controlled metabolic kitchen. Every ingredient was precisely weighed, allowing the app's estimates to be compared with the meal's exact calories and nutrients. The results? All 4 apps underestimated the calorie content of the meals by 250 to 345 calories on average and fat by about 30 grams. The apps did a better job estimating carbohydrates than fat or protein. One study author says people using a photo-based tracking app without adjusting the portions or entering the amounts of food should take the results with a grain of salt. A follow-up analysis of more than 200 additional meals also suggests the apps are less accurate with low-carb ketogenic meals, likely because they consistently underestimate their higher fat content, according to the researchers. They say combining AI photo analysis with more traditional food tracking methods could improve the app's real-world accuracy.